You know what he did? You know what Mark did?
Bad things.
To go pee, you know what Mark did? He put the camera equipment on the ground in the bathroom. Rookie move.
He asked me to hold
He's only been around since March.
Rookie move.
Look at the GPS where it says.
Where's the GPS say? Vancouver, BC. That's hilarious.
Isn't that weird? Like, of all places, this is Vancouver, British Columbia.
Yeah. What are the odds? What else are we getting? You need a high-res vest? Or should we just hit the road because we have a long drive?
There's actually so much fun stuff. Makes you look like you work without.
Without working.
Mark needs that one.
That's funny. All right, so we got something really fun here. Bumper stickers. You guys ready for this? Warning, parts may fall off at any time. That's pretty good. YouTube certified mechanic. I like that. Heavily armed and easily pissed. Don't worry, I zip tied it. That's a DD
That's
one.
pretty good.
That's a DD
That's
one.
pretty
Eh?
good. I like this one. You get
Just gonna send it.
it. Be kind.
Oh my god. This is pretty good.
That's
Just
a cool
gonna
one.
send it. I'm only speeding because I have to poop.
Kill, not bomb.
Antisocial, that means stay the hell away. Warning, you tailgate, I brake. I used to be a people person, then people ruined it.
Was it worth it or was it worth it? Dude, that's actually. Hold on, no, the bathroom.
Dude!
Do you believe in unicorns?
Oh my, that's funny. Where's Dave? Do you remember? This is going back a minute. Speaking of Vancouver, BC, this all ties together. Do you remember in Vancouver, BC, when we had our buddy from Dubai with the crazy red super
Yeah.
the Stradale, Trofeo Stradale, the race car exhaust and all that? Remember what he said? Because he had a racing steering wheel.
Oh yeah, it says we have no airbags because we die like men. We die like real men.
Show me that bumper sticker. How is that a bumper sticker? Because when he said it, we were like, you can't say that.
Well, apparently he owns a sticker company now.
Fair enough. Let's hold on.
Gerald, your chewing is killing the suspense. Chew louder, please. I think it's funny.
I don't see anybody.
Nobody was knocking.
What?
Nobody was knocking. I think
There was another.
No, somebody was knocking.
Somebody was not.
Somebody was knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door.
Morning.
Good morning.
He all left. Mark's sitting there eating pancakes, thinking he has all this time. He has no time.
Hi.
No one said we were having breakfast here.
I
You,
did.
you said
That doesn't mean anything.
you said meet in the lobby, and then I saw Garrett and Gerald getting to their car, so I thought, oh, I'll just go to my car and get ready also, because we have a 4-hour drive or 3.5-hour drive.
Yeah.
But I was thinking like Starbucks, coffee, and a breakfast sandwich type of idea.
Yes.
Hold on, let me just put my gladiator helmet right here.
Look at, he's a mud collector. Apparently,
How did you get your shoes so dirty? What did you walk in? Let's see your shoes. We all stopped in the same spot, right?
Well, Garrett just peed in the middle of the road. So I.
No shame. Just like Mark should have done. I literally just turned my back on them and peed.
Are we still in Utah?
Probably. Technically, based on the landscape, yes. It looks like Colorado starts with some very ominous weather. Looks kind of scary.
It wasn't
Yeah,
gonna
that
rain
was
when I
weird.
asked you.
I know. It looks
You
like
did.
it switched directions, and we're driving right through the heart of it.
Yeah, we are still in Utah by a long shot. Yeah, there's the rest of Utah there. There's Denver.
That's not that much.
Oh, it's not that
That's a
much.
good amount.
A long shot.
Man, yeah, just like a quick detour.
Quick detour, quick on and off. You never know what my gauge is going to be. It could be a quick on and off. It could
America
be a
has the
long
biggest
shot.
gas stations. Look at
Well,
this
the truck
place.
stops. I mean, like the ones that we go to.
Hold on, I'm going to wide angle. Bam.
If you know me, I'm really tall, so this kind of gives you a good idea of the scale of things.
That makes you tall.
There you go.
Tom Cruise style.
Tom.
Okay, we gotta find some treats here. What are we after? Nope.
I watch you guys all day in my semi truck.
Do you really?
I do. I'm parked out there.
You got Wi-Fi in there or what?
No. I seen the Lambo. I was like, oh no.
Where are we right now?
What?
Where are we?
Wellington.
Wellington, Utah. How far until Colorado?
You guys, maybe an hour and a half, hour?
Oh, that far still. Oh, shit.
I don't know. Maybe 2 hours.
Maybe 2 hours. Where's Mark? Mark's our intern. He gets lost everywhere he goes. Mark?
Yeah, no, I seen the DDE. I was like, oh no.
Well, you're on the Stories channel now.
What?
You're on the Stories channel. This is behind the scenes.
Bella, hire me.
What do you have to say?
I need a job.
Garrett's hiring.
Doing what?
He's a drug dealer.
Oh, I mean, you know, if it gets me out of truck driving.
Commerce is commerce. Hanging out with the boys here in Utah. Probably the most beautiful Starbucks I've ever seen. This entire building is dedicated just solely to making coffee. And look, it's got a beautiful like patio and the view. The view of the mountains back here are wild. Now, we're about to embark on a 9-hour road trip to Denver. It's gonna be crazy.
500 miles, exactly 500 miles today.
500 miles. Dave had a bit of an issue this morning. Dave, what happened?
Okay, so as we all know, I had a huge delay getting my townhouse, 14-month delay. My first mortgage payment comes out. But for some reason, they pulled it out 6 days early. And I have a bills account where I move money over when I get paid to pay my bills, and that account had no money in it. So NSF, it bounced. My first mortgage payment bounced.
Hey, hold on, guys. I think we have enough cash over. Do you need cash, Dave? $5 grand. $5 grand? All right. Here.
Small loan of $5,000.
Just take my watch.
All right. Now, is this the Dave Foundation?
Yeah,
everyone take it off. Everyone. There you go. There you go.
Put them all on.
There you go.
I don't think you want this.
There you
You're
go.
not gonna get a lot for this.
There you go. Just take them all. There you go. Actually, you keep
That should be.
pay half your
It's all
house.
scratched up, I don't want it.
Okay.
Those jeans, David, I'm so did he. Oh, you're looking so good in those jeans. In those jeans.
Blue jeans.
Got
They
me
weren't ready.
excited. Oh, you're looking so good in those jeans. In those jeans.
What'd that guy say to you?
He goes, love the channel, guys.
You guys are all just rocking out. Mark decided to get out and go pee during this construction zone, and Dave's like, you can't time it. Now Dave's making Mark run after the car. He's like trying to hold on to the car. We're in this like long construction zone, going super slow for the most part. This is pretty funny. It's beautiful here. Look at this. Look at this scenery. It's gorgeous. We're like in this canyon. He's trying to get. Mark's trying to get into the car. Oh my goodness. Rally life shenanigans right there. Oh my gosh, these guys. Madness. Absolute madness. Okay, Damon signed your shirt. Yep. But so did I. Spin around. Ha! We are at Slush Meet here in Colorado. Slush Meet. That's what I said, right?
Slush Meet.
Did I say that? Where are we again?
Slush Meet.
You guys should get sponsored by 7-Eleven. Behind the scenes in the VIP tent.
They're Slurpees, but they're technically slush. Oh, what? VIP.
Next to your Omega, hey, real humble.
All right. What can
Really
I say?
humble.
It's not your watch. It's not your watch, at least.
No watch.
That's really quickly, DD.
Hey? Things escalate quickly. 19-year-old camera guy shows up. 7 months later, Omega. 7 months after that, Rolex. 7 months after that, AP. 7 months after that, RM. Lamborghini.
Then back to the Casio. Come get me.
We don't call the police.
The police call us.
Garrett, you gotta help. Get back up.
Hey Garrett, there's this guy that says DDE on the side of the road. Can you pull him over?
But yeah, no, that watch is actually really comfortable.
This one actually ended up cutting my wrist a little bit. the
You'll
other
have
day.
a Rolex in the next 6 months. I can guarantee you that.
Maybe.
And guess
Maybe.
what? It's coming up my salary.
Oh! I'll probably want to get another car before I get a Rolex.
Fuck that. Watches.
No, the Omega 007.
That's what
Perfect. But with the actual
from Casino Royale.
that, but there's one that has a steel mesh. wrist-
Titanium.
It is.
It's titanium.
Titanium. You're right. The
From a
whole
recent
watch is
movie.
titanium.
Well, right now, Batgirl, what's it worth? 22?
Yes,
And that Starbucks is 24?
correct.
I know my shit. So I steal watches and sell them.
And how much is Dave's?
This is, if you're wondering, this is a solid yellow gold day date, 40 millimeter with the champagne face. Right now, about 50 retail.
Address is.
Happy Jewelers.
Fullerton. Tim, what are you wearing today? You just being humble for everybody?
I've got this blue thing on. It's a rubber strap.
You should get a watch with a gold band on it one day if you work hard.
Rubber strap worth $5.
Welcome to YouTube life. We're here. We're loud.
Slush Meet.
There's always a camera on. So this is your event. Are you the founder and CEO? I wait till you're eating to ask questions.
I know, that's the best time.
Yeah. How long have you been doing this for?
Yeah.
You
You want another question? Hold on.
I won't ask any more questions. You're good. Tuna or chip.
The cinnamon buns are good.
So you do this annually?
You got me good.
You guys are like legit people then.
Show the stories channel on how legit we are and chill. Not young all the time. It's true. Look how tired I look right now. Look how nice you look. Refreshed. You look great. Look at me. I'm like an old man. I'm tired right
You look
now.
great too. You always look great. You're the best looking DDE person.
Thanks,
People
man.
think Damon's better. I mean, best older DDE person. Right? Too young.
Look at that shirt. OG.
Back in the day,
Where'd you buy that from?
online.
My man. My man.
My favorite
Long time
store.
ago.
What do you guys want? Want some signatures over here?
Yes.
There you go. Someone got this. Okay, man. Oh, we're signing here. What's this from?
It's a car.
Mustang GT.
Long motors.
What's this? Where you guys from?
Here.
Parker. So,
Parker?
yep,
Parker, Colorado. Got it.
yep.
Cuckoo. Can I sign a hat for you too?
Of course you can. My logo, it's Daily Songs Colorado, my YouTube channel, which I based the design off your guys' kind of a little bit.
Call the lawyers. Serve him a cease and desist for using them. Yeah, man, good for you. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Get the lawyers.
You guys were all the inspiration there.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Let me get up in here too.
Touch your video. I can't stand you guys on that. Let's do a photo. Go for it. Take a photo. Oh, who's calling?
My girlfriend.
Answer, bro.
Answer it. Girl, when she comes back, I'll answer it.
Hello?
Hey, babe.
Hello?
Are you driving right now?
Hello?
Hey. We're over by the DDE guys, Daily Gin Exotics. The tall one is really good looking. Okay. Put me on hold. Yeah, we're over with the DDE guys, the really good looking tall one. He's so funny and like the way he walks is just weird, but like it's like he's floating. You don't see his legs move, but he's moving. It's the strangest thing.
What?
We're with DDE.
Yeah, we're over here at DDE.
We're by Daily Gin Exotics, the #1 YouTube channel on the internet.
Yeah. Come over here.
Come over here. She hung up. Damn, I've lost my game.
That's alright, dude. That's fucking dope.
All right, behind the scenes at the Slush Meet, we are in the VIP area, and we're gonna get some food.
That's right.
Garrett here changed watches today. Garrett's wearing the Starbucks, which is a 40mm Submariner. Is that 40 or 41? That's a 41.
Yeah.
That's a 41.
It's modern.
Do you know how to tell?
I do.
How?
I don't.
So in between Swiss Made, there's a Rolex logo on the 41s.
Is there really?
So stay really still. Hold on. Let me get for the
I see
audience.
what. Wow.
Right there between. Okay, do not move. There is one guy. Right there, that little crown between Swiss Made means it's a 41. Also, etched in the glass, there's actually a Rolex logo in the actual glass here. You can find it for the audience.
It's nice to meet
You're welcome, guys. Have a good one.
you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Enjoy the event.
So right there, you probably can't pick up on here. But if you look at the right lighting, there's actually in the glass a logo. Oh, can we get it? Hold on, don't move. No, I can't see it. Anyways, it's actually in the glass. Actually, you know what? I can't see it because this is a fake one.
This was made. Yep, definitely fake.
Give me an eye. So behind the scenes here at the Slush event, we're currently doing the award ceremony, and then Mr. Fryer and I are going to sign some of the Slush official merch and meet some more fans, and then we'll be out of here. Unfortunately, you'll see in the video, I have to have a broken Huracan home. So that should be fun. You guys have fun today?
I think it's hilarious. What? What a proper way to sum it up. After everything else that happened, rip out the roof.
Oh, this is behind the scenes. They don't even know what happened yet. We'll see it in the vlog. It's gonna be a shit show. It's pouring fucking rain.
It's hot and sunny to where my neck was getting sunburned.
Now
Now I need to put on my puffy jacket.
Yeah, the weather's turned really bad. We've been through a lot on this trip, but it's all worth it. We got a ton of cool fans today, and now we're signing shit.
Do the fender.
Got it.
But no, if you don't want to reinvent the wheel, being the first to mimic something.
And the cars are now parked safe and sound here at the hotel. I will not say what hotel they are. Transport's gonna pick us up, Ply Car, or homies at Ply Car. We got these cars, have them back, and then 9th. So less than about a week back to California IA. And then the Huracan will need new tires. The SVJ will need new tires. And Garrett will need a new co-pilot. Man, my stutter screwed up that joke. I'm tired. Did you have fun?
I sure did. It was a blast. Why are you looking at me like that? Are you like, are you really saying the truth right now?
Did he have fun?
Oh, we need to order. Scale of 1 to 10? We need to order Uber right now. A black, so we can get to our dinner rezo. You wanted SGK?
Okay, well let's fucking go. You guys are fucking around right now.
I don't know.
We have to get these to Val and get our slips.
I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. I'm looking for his prison shank.
Okay, I will order Uber. Let's go up here. How do we get out? That's probably a hint right there with his exit.
Come on, Victor.
Thank you. So we're gonna give you all of our keys, and then I just need the Valley slips, and then transport will pick them up.
Someone's gonna pick them up for you?
Yeah, the next 2 days. Somebody here knows. It's all pre-organized, but I'll give you all the keys, and then it's gonna be slips, and I'll take a picture of them and give you the transport driver. I need all your keys, please. Keys. Keys.
Get in the trunk, Garrett.
Appreciate it, guys.
Appreciate you. Reach my pocket. Someone tip this guy. Tip him. God damn it, why am I always the guy?
If you carry cash, you have to deal with us.
Look how much you got.
Give him $100. Don't be cheap.
That'll work. Just joking. Hold on, is this all ones? Where have you been? Don't dig in deep. Dude, it is ones. Do you have anything bigger? Oh, there you go. That's hundreds. They're just scattered about. So that's the problem. I only have hundreds.
Perfect.
It's not a problem. Here. Whoa, yeah, $100.
Appreciate you guys. Thanks, man.
So, can I get one slip for all those keys, or what's the best way of doing this?
Yeah. Let me grab them for you.
Okay. Is that man okay? Who's just screaming like a lady? That's a grown man screaming.
What's your last name, please?
Coulter, Coulter.
5 stars.
Well, get out of the car. You have a door right there.
Gerald, what are you
Gerald, what are you doing?
No, I'm chilling, man. I'm just waiting for you guys to sort out the fucking bail.
The bail?
The bail, man.
Garrett, do you need a legitimate credit card to take care of this?
No, I got it. I stole it from Gerald while we were there.
Oh, you got Gerald's prepaid
No,
visa.
yeah, we good, man. We good.
Cool. Son, thank you for your night.
Oh,
Thank you, brother.
Denver, Colorado. It's been a smash. We've had a lot of fun. That is our Uber driver's plate number. So for any reason, this vlog does go live, and it's titled with something that isn't a 1 to 10 video. Huh? You're taking it? Dude, stop taking his license plate off.
He was like, hey, if you come over here, talk to my boy Idris. And he was like, yeah, he's a piece of shit. He's like, hey, that's my son.
Jeez. What a night, boys. STK. My wife made a good call on the restaurant.
Oh, dude, she made a great call in the restaurant.
Wifey.
Strippers, caviar, everything.
At
Miss DDE?
At STK.
Miss DDE? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, and it felt good. He only got a $50 tip, and he was so upset this whole trip. But afterwards,
Bullshit, motherfucker.
he was smiling. I swear to God, he was just smiling. It was just a $50 tip, and the guy was like elated. And also,
It was weird though that you gave it to it 50s and 1s. You can explain that.
Gotta break up them dime bags. All right, hey, come on, everybody in. Go. It stops.
Get in.
Gerald,
Get in.
We've all been to prison before.
You're in the front. Okay, you're in the front.
Come on. No, let me out of here. Get out of here.
Oh, it's all right. We just got stuck. Oh, man. Does it do that all the time? Yeah. It was a little confusing. Hey, I left a care package for him up here. It's in a plastic bag. Can you grab it for him? Yeah. That's his diapers.
So you
Yeah, I did. Has his diapers and a shirt a fan gave to him.
I will be right back.
Thank you so much.
Does it have the name on it?
Yeah, but they literally left it for him here. Because he couldn't get into his room. So he left his bag of clothes
All right, let me
behind.
document this
What
because
color was it?
I don't know. I can't tell you.
Gerald,
I don't
do you not remember? You were about to go back up to your room and I had you come back here and leave a bag that you were going to take to your room because your car key didn't work.
yeah.
But I told them to
Do
take
you
it to
want
my
one
room,
for
and
each?
it's my jacket.
I'll take two,
camera.
please.
They don't take things to your room.
They told me that they would.
Perhaps they did actually. Maybe they did send someone because I don't have it on here. I'll be right back with the letter.
Apparently Gerald forgets when you're rich and you stay at hotels, you just have people keep things behind the counter. They don't go to your room where they can then navigate through your room and all your personal belongings. Don't stand that close to me behind me. And your personal belongings. Trauma. I have a lot of trauma. Yeah, whoa. Where was that? Whoa. So, note to self, if you stay in a hotel that's more than $200,
Sure.
if you, Gerald, you've never even been to jail.
I've been to county.
You've never been to county.
I've been to county.
So there's nothing here?
No.
Are you sure?
unfortunately. Go ahead and check the room. Perhaps somebody did take it up there.
Oh,
'cause,
shoot. Okay.
What is this for?
My vlog.
My name's Garrett. What's your name?
Flower.
Flower?
Yes.
Legally?
Yeah.
Flower.
Thank you. Just need to put out a fire. Okay.
Water, settle down.
All right, guys.
Catch. Whoa.
Fight for yourself.
One more. One more.
I feel how cold it is. Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Mark did that.
Mark did
really
that.
taught me how to do it. Gerald, you're 5.
All right, guys, we're all
guys.
Yeah.
Bye.
Peace!
All right. He goes straight to the basement in that box like the prisoner he is.
You guys
Okay, let's
take
roll.
care of that guy.
Hey, guess what? You are here.
Okay, good night.
Dave, what a rowdy night. Out of control.
Okay, drink those Advil.
Drink these. Hold on.
Advil.
Hold on. Who gave me Advil?
I did.
Hold on. I got it right here. Thank you, Advil. Hey, you guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.